Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about can I reverse biological age and how reliable are age clocks. Biological age reflects how well your body is functioning compared to your chronological age, the years since birth. Unlike chronological age, which is fixed and time dependent, biological age is influenced by lifestyle, environment, and genetics, making it a dynamic measure of health. Scientists have developed age clocks to estimate biological age using biomarkers like epigenetic changes or telomere length. But can you actually reverse biological age, and how trustworthy are these clocks? This video explains the science behind these questions. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC.health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to help each other. That's why he uses this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. Can biological age be reversed? Biological age is shaped by factors like DNA damage, inflammation, and cellular wear, often called the hallmarks of aging. Underlying these factors are the 6 pillars of health and the 5 M's, as discussed later in this review. Reversing biological age means improving these markers to make the body function as if it were younger. Emerging research suggests this is possible to some extent, but the degree and consistency vary. The 6 pillars of health are 1. Sound body structure, 2. Proper nutrition, 3. Appropriate physical activity and exercise, 4. Sleep and recovery, 5. Environmental factors, and a 6. Positive mental attitude. The 5 M's are 1. Membrane health, 2. Microvascular health, 3. Mitochondrial health, 4. Metabolic health, 5. Metabolic reserve, muscle. I realize that is a lot to unpack, so I'm in the process of completing a book about the 6 pillars and 5 M's. In the meantime, I've made several videos that cover 4 of the 5 M's. Lifestyle interventions. Simple changes can have measurable effects. Diet and nutrition. A 2019 study showed that an 8-week program combining a methylation-supportive diet, rich in vegetables, nuts, and seeds, probiotics, exercise, and sleep optimization reduced epigenetic age by an average of 3.2 years in healthy men aged 50-72. One participant saw a 5-year reduction. Similar diets like Mediterranean, plant-based, and rational and balanced moderate ketogenic diets show benefits in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Exercise. Regular aerobic and strength training can improve cellular health. A 2021 trial found that 6 months of high-intensity interval training lowered epigenetic age by 2 to 3 years in older adults by enhancing mitochondrial function. Stress management and sleep. Chronic stress accelerates aging, but practices like meditation or yoga can counteract this. A 2020 study linked 12 weeks of mindfulness meditation to a 1.5-year reduction in epigenetic age. Optimizing sleep, 7 to 9 hours nightly, also supports cellular repair. Advanced interventions. More experimental approaches show promise, but require caution. Pharmacological treatments. A 2019 trial tested a cocktail of growth hormone, metformin, and DHEA in men, resulting in a 2.5-year epigenetic age reversal after 1 year. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy, HBOT. A 2020 study found that HBOT, involving high-pressure oxygen exposure, lengthened telomeres, and reduced senescent cells in older adults, correlating with a 3 to 5 year biological age reduction. Larger studies are needed to confirm this. Supplements. There are dozens of special nutritional substances that can have a significant impact on one's health and therefore their biological age. Compounds like NAD+ boosters, e.g. nicotinamide mononucleotide, or resveratrol may support cellular health, but human evidence is limited, and quality control in supplements varies. EWOT, exercise with oxygen. Therapy is one of my absolute top recommendations to reduce biological age and optimize health. It is the only thing ever documented to open and reset the microvascular system to youthful levels. Limitations. While these interventions show potential, results are not universal. Genetics, existing health conditions, and adherence to protocols affect outcomes. Most studies are small, short-term, or animal-based, so long-term human data is scarce. Extreme interventions like self-administered gene therapies are risky and lack regulation. How reliable are age clocks? Age clocks measure biological age through molecular markers. Here's a look at the main types and their reliability. Epigenetic clocks. These analyze DNA methylation, chemical tags on DNA that regulate gene expression and change with age. The Horvath clock 2013 measures 353 methylation sites and predicts chronological age with high accuracy within 3 to 4 years. Advanced versions like GrimAge 2018 incorporate health and mortality risks, making them better at predicting disease than age alone. Strengths include accuracy, correlates strongly with chronological age, Rao 0.96 across tissues. Sensitivity detects lifestyle changes like diet or exercise within months. Applications used to assess disease risk, e.g. cancer, Alzheimer's, and evaluate anti-aging interventions. Limitations: not all clocks measure the same thing. Some prioritize mortality risk over functional age. Results can vary based on tissue sampled, blood versus saliva, or lab methods. Accessibility is limited due to cost and need for specialized testing. Telomere clocks. Telomeres, protective caps on chromosomes, shorten with cell division and age. Telomere length is a proxy for biological age, with shorter telomeres linked to higher disease risk. Strengths include biological relevance. Short telomeres impair cell repair and are tied to aging diseases. Measurability: simple blood tests can assess length. Limitations: telomere length varies widely between individuals, even at the same age. It's less precise than epigenetic clocks, as length doesn't always correlate with health outcomes. External factors like stress or inflammation can skew results. Other clocks, proteomic clocks, measure protein levels linked to aging. These are newer and less validated, but show promise for specific diseases. Metabolic clocks use biomarkers like glucose, insulin, triglycerides, or blood lipids like cholesterol. They're less direct but widely available via routine blood work. Most doctors don't fully understand how to interpret such data and tell patients that everything is fine because their test results are within the normal range. Normal is not healthy in our modern world. Reliability concerns. Age clocks are powerful research tools but have caveats. Variability. Different clocks may give conflicting results for the same person. Validation. Most are validated in specific populations, e.g. Western adults, so accuracy may vary across ethnicities or age groups. Interpretation. A younger biological age doesn't guarantee better health or longer life, as clocks don't capture all aging aspects. Commercial tests. At-home tests are convenient but may lack the rigor of lab-based assays, and their claims often outpace evidence. Practical steps for age reversal. If you're interested in reducing biological age, focus on evidence-based approaches. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. Prioritize a nutrient-rich diet, regular exercise, mix of cardio and strength, 7 to 9 hours of sleep, and stress reduction, e.g. meditation. Monitor health. Consider using wearable devices to track sleep, activity, or heart rate variability, which indirectly reflect biological age. Consider testing. If accessing an epigenetic clock, e.g. via a lab or reputable provider, use it as a baseline to track changes from interventions. Combine with standard blood tests for a fuller picture. Consult experts. Work with doctors or nutritionists before trying supplements, drugs, or therapies like HBOT. Avoid risks. Steer clear of unproven interventions like DIY gene editing or unregulated supplements. Conclusion. Reversing biological age is possible to a modest degree, think 1 to 5 years, through lifestyle changes and, in some cases, advanced therapies. Studies show that diet, exercise, and stress management can improve aging biomarkers, while experimental treatments like HBOT or drugs offer intriguing but preliminary results. Age clocks, especially epigenetic ones, are reliable for research and tracking trends, but aren't perfect predictors of health or longevity. For those interested, Starting with safe, evidence-based practices and consulting professionals is the best approach. While you can't turn back time completely, you can optimize your body's aging trajectory with informed choices. As always, please reach out for information on our personalized health enhancement and age reversal programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptides. 941-806-5511.